Hello everyone. Welcome again to this new video. So in this new video, we are going to be discuss about the one of the most important part of the Python program. So that is the Python login. So how we are going to be log any informations, any warning, any critical errors. So there are two type of logins are there: temporary logins and permanent login. So permanent login are based on the file based logins where we are going to create a files and then we are going to be write the information, the loggers in the files. So in the login parts, for the permanent purpose we are going to be create a logger files, right? So there is a login modules are available in the pythons. So with the help of login modules we are going to be enable the logins, and we have to pass the file names, and that file is contain all the logger information which we are going to capture during the runtime, right? So suppose in the loggers file name log.txt files, in the text file we just want to capture all the logs which is the uh, a warning or higher than that a message. So warning and higher than the message are those messages which actually critical one, error and warning. These are the three levels which are actually higher than the warning, then error, then critical. If we are going to be capture the information about the info, debug and not set, in that case these are the lower set of the login labels. So these are their codes and these are their descriptions about their login. So suppose that in the question in the problem statement is given that we have to capture only the warning or high level of messages. In that case we are going to be write this piece of whole login. First of all, import the login, and the login module we have to call the method basic config, and then first argument will be the file name, which is the file name which is want to create, and the label of the login. So label of the login is by default always the warning. It will start from the warning, but we can mention either the warning, we have to start from the beginning debug, we have to start from the info also. Let's see if I'm going to run this piece of code. So the file is now created. If you see that the file is now created and we have captured these warning messages whatever we have mentioned. So these are the warning messages, warning informations, right? So this is the warning informations. And if I'm going to be the clear error messages, this is the error message which whatever we are going to pass this data, this is going to be written here itself. And for the similarly critical ones, all the information whatever you are passing here, it is going to be right in this file, right? So this program is going to capture for the warning level and above. If I want to capture all the informations like debug also, info also, this kind of logins, in that case we have to pass the lower lower level is debug. So in that case, if I'm going to run this piece of code, if I'm going to delete this file, this logger file, if I'm going to run this piece of code again, right? So this file is created. Now, if you see that debug is also capturing information, is also capturing warning, error and critical message. All the informations, whatever we are passing from the program, these are going to be captured in the logger files, right? So this is the way to capture the login into the logger file. So these are the basic configuration. These are the basic line of configurations which we have to be right before capturing the logs. I hope you understand these solutions. Thank you so much.